Ah, the allure of travel, the thrill of discovery. The world is a book and those who don't travel read only a page. Today, we're delving into the top 10 destinations that should make it to your backpacking list. Buckle up and allow your imagination to wander. Starting at number 10, we have the Emerald Isle, Ireland. From its ancient castles to its lush landscapes, Ireland is a treasure trove of culture, history, and natural beauty. The friendly locals and cozy pubs just add to the charm, making it a perfect place for backpackers to explore. Next up, number 9, the land of the rising sun, Japan. A beautiful blend of tradition and modernity, Japan offers a unique travel experience. Whether you're hiking up Mount Fuji or exploring the bustling streets of Tokyo, Japan never ceases to amaze. Coming in at number 8, we find ourselves in the heart of Europe's Switzerland. With its picturesque landscapes, historic towns, and world-class hiking trails, Switzerland is a backpacker's paradise. And did we mention the chocolate? At number 7, we have Peru, a country rich in culture and history. From the ancient Incan city of Machu Picchu to the bustling markets of Lima, Peru offers a unique and immersive travel experience. Halfway through our list at number 6, we find New Zealand. A haven for adventure seekers, New Zealand offers diverse landscapes, from pristine beaches to towering mountains. Don't forget to visit the Hobbiton movie set, a must-see for any Lord of the Rings fan. At number 5, we have Canada. With its vast wilderness, diverse cities, and friendly locales, Canada is an ideal destination for backpackers. Whether you're exploring the Rocky Mountains or the vibrant city of Toronto, Canada has something for everyone. Number 4 takes us to Thailand. Known for its stunning beaches, rich cultural heritage, and delicious street food, Thailand is a backpacker's dream come true. Moving on to number 3, we have Australia. From the iconic Sydney Opera House to the stunning Great Barrier Reef, Australia offers a diverse range of experiences that make it a must-visit destination. Coming in at number 2, we have Italy. With its rich history, stunning architecture, and mouth-watering cuisine, Italy is a destination that will captivate your senses and steal your heart. And finally, at number 1, we have Iceland. Known for its stunning natural beauty, from the northern lights to its geothermal hot springs, Iceland tops our list as the ultimate backpacking destination. From the Emerald Isle of Ireland to the breathtaking beauty of Iceland, we've covered some of the most incredible backpacking destinations around the globe. Each place offers its own unique experiences, rich in culture, history, and natural beauty. So start planning your next adventure, pack your bags, and set out to explore the world. After all, life is short and the world is wide. Get out there and write your own adventure story.